If you've ever wondered how to full screen itch.io browser games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to switch a browser game into full screen mode so you can play with a bigger view and a much more immersive experience. This is especially useful for games that are small in the browser window or feel hard to enjoy without filling the screen. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the itch.io game you want to play in your browser. Once the game has loaded, look toward the bottom right corner of the game window. You should see a full screen icon there. It usually looks like a box or arrows expanding outward. This icon is what lets you switch the game from the small browser view into full screen mode. When you find it, click the Enter Full Screen icon. As soon as you click it, the game should expand and fill your screen. Depending on the game and browser you're using, you may need to allow full screen access first, but in most cases, it will open instantly. If the game doesn't go full screen right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or full screen permissions. You can also try clicking inside the game once before selecting the icon, just to make sure the browser recognizes the game window properly. Once full screen is enabled, you'll get a much cleaner, more comfortable view of the game, which is perfect for gameplay, controls, and overall immersion. To exit full screen, you can usually press the escape key on your keyboard or use the full screen button again if it appears. So that's it. All you have to do is open the itch.io game, look at the bottom right, and click the Enter Full Screen icon. Super easy, super fast, and now you know how to full screen itch.io browser games. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple how-to videos just like this one.